2020 dropped a bombshell in our Helicon days. Disease and mishappenings come one after another to attack us. Not a single country, but the whole world was suffering from it. Coronavirus appeared like a bolt from the blues in our lives and changed everything. Intellectuals started discussing issues that they never had in the past. But even after so many debates and discussions, there was one topic that was out of the picture. Hence, I decided to throw some light upon it. It is the relationship between mental health and sustainable development. And in my opinion, both of them are interrelated. And one thing I would like to clear here is that mental health was always an issue of concern and controversy way before the arrival of COVID 19. No one of you would deny that sustainable development comes with mental well being, and somewhere mental health concerns do occur as an obstacle in the way of the development. Even after COVID 19, the area of mental health was one which needed much more investment by the government and other international organizations. But you won't disagree that many people around the world face mental health challenges which become hindrances in the achieving of the SDGs. It will be extremely difficult to achieve any of the SDGs without raising the issue of mental health, as many people, families, and communities will be left behind. No matter where you come from, what is your race, gender, class, age, etc., it affects each and every one of you somewhere and at some point. That is why we cannot wait. We need to address mental health issues now. In itself, mental wellness is essential for actual well-being and is firmly interlinked with other advancement factors. For example, destitution, work and financial development, or harmony and equity. Emotional wellness plays a vital part in the efforts to accomplish social incorporation and value, admittance to equity and basic freedoms, and maintainable monetary improvement. For instance, destitution and psychological maladjustment are empathetically linked, just as monetary development, protected and strong urban areas and settlements rely upon an in general intellectually sound society. As a cross-cutting issue, psychological well-being has persistence across the entire scope of improvement. Mental wellness issues establish a huge weight on people and social order, both regarding human anguish and the economy. Despondency alone has been assessed to influence 350 million people, being the single biggest supporter of years lived with inability. More than 80% of the individuals with mental health issues live in a low and center pay nations. Dysfunctional behavior and substance misuse are significant reasons for sickness, trouble, representing almost 9% and 17% of the complete way of infection. Simultaneously, it is assessed that psychological problems get no treatment regularly. Now, poverty is something that straightforwardly influences mental wellness. For instance, through ailing health, which can disable mental health and capacity. Insufficiencies can repress scholarly and actual potential and cause long-lasting inability. Iodine insufficiency in pregnancy expands the danger of irreversible mind harm, and almost a fourth of all kids under age of 5 are truly hindered, which is connected to various dangers. Physical, mental, and social sides of well-being are interrelated, and upgraded in actual well-being will affect psychological well-being and the other way around. Models incorporate how substance misuse can cause liver malignant growth, and that downturn may build the danger of not looking for treatment or taking medication. It is important that we start putting the issue in the mind of individuals from a very young age, which brings us to schools. Quality schooling can advance and ensure psychological wellness through information and fundamental abilities, the arrangement of well-being, and significant exercises and interpersonal organizations. Interrelatedness is the situation for the duration of the life expectancy and is clear in youth. Like normal emotional well-being, early childhood development is a fundamental piece of arriving at the SDGs and referenced explicitly under the objective of training. Early hardship and harmful pressure can impede physical and psychological wellness, instruction, and other significant formative regions. Poor nurturing can change the science and the design of the mind. Poor psychological wellness compromise financial flourishing. Emotional well-being is significant for individuals' capacity to work and thusly for their efficiency and economy. Nonetheless, work likewise assumes an essential job for individual psychological wellness. Workplaces gives occasions to enhance respect, uniformity, and well-being. Fortifying individuals' capacity to work likewise advances financial development and incorporation. Feasible urban areas and networks will require conduct change and advancement. Regardless of whether ashore or adrift, common assets and the endurance of the planets away individuals' well-being, and individuals' well-being will have ramifications for their capacity to deal with the progressions vital for a more supportable climate. Fortifying individuals and network strength, including their psychological well-being, is a significant advance towards fiasco hazard decrease. All the points mentioned or discussed carry equal weight, hence amendments and ratifications are required to establish a better world and attain a sustainable development.